Welcome to English for Newbie. Let's begin together.
We're excited to learn with you.
It's going to be so much fun. Yeah, let's start now. Mom, come, we go to the park today and the pizza place and the toy shop, all of them.
Good morning to you too, Eli. We will see. First, where is your other shoe? I don't know. Maybe the dog ate it? We don't have a dog, Eli. Then maybe a ghost ate it. Jason, are you listening?
Yes, ghost shoe.
Dad is in his phone world again.
Phone World! That sounds like a fun place. A fun place?
At 11 o'clock, the mail arrived. Megan walked to the door and picked up the letters. Most were normal, but one letter made her stop.
What is this? Oh no, this is much more than I thought.
What's wrong? What is that?
It's the bill for the new sofa and the kitchen table.
How much? Megan, this is $1,200.
I know, but the old sofa was broken and the table was...
$1,200 without talking to me first?
I did not need your permission, Jason. I am also working. I also make money in this house.
It's not about permission. It's about talking. We are supposed to be a team.
A team? You are always on your phone. How can we be a team when you don't even listen?
Megan, calm down.
A team? You are always on your phone. How can we be a team when you don't even listen?
Megan, calm down.
Vanessa, why are they shouting? They are having an argument, Eli. It happens sometimes.
But I don't like it. It's scary. Come. Let's go to my room. Are they going to stop being married?
What? No. No, Eli, they are just angry right now.
Tommy's mom and dad used to shout too. And then Tommy's dad left.
Mom and dad love each other, and they both love us. Sometimes people who love each other still have hard days. Okay?
Okay, but can you make them stop?
I don't know. Maybe. Let me think.
I went too far.
I should have talked to him first.
Daddy, I made you something.
What is this, buddy?
That's you, that's Mommy, that's Vanessa, that's me, and that's our house, and that's us a rainbow, and that's a pizza.
This is beautiful, Eli. Thank you.
Daddy, are you sad?
A little bit, yeah.
When I am sad, Mommy hugs me and it goes away. Maybe you should hug Mommy.
It's a little more complicated than that, buddy.
Why? Hugs always work. I tested it many times.
Hey, sweetheart, are you okay?
I heard you and Dad fighting.
I'm sorry you heard that, Vanessa. That wasn't fair to you or your brother.
What happened, Mom?
It's complicated. Adult stuff, money stuff. Is it because of the new furniture? How do you know about that? I just wanted our home to be nice. I worked so hard. I wanted us to have a beautiful home. I thought it would make everyone happy. Mom, our home is beautiful because of you, not because of the sofa. When did you get so smart?
I've been learning from you. Most of the time.
They sat together for a while, mother and daughter holding their tea mugs, listening to the quiet house.
What are you writing? Something important. Is it a spell, like in the movies, to fix Mom and Dad? Not a spell, a letter. 2, can I write a letter? Yes, you can, but you have to write something true, something real, from your heart.
From my heart. Okay, I can do that.
Mom and Dad, I want to tell you some things. Please don't throw this away. Number 1, I love this family. Number 2, I'm scared when you fake. Number 3, you are both good people. Good people can make mistakes. Please talk to each other. Really talk.
Number 5, we need you, both of you, together.
P.S. Eli says hugs fix everything. He has tested this many times.
I love you. Please stop.
That's actually perfect, Eli.
I told you, from the heart.
Mom, Dad, can you both put your phones down? We want to say something.
Of course. What is it?
We heard you fighting today, me and Eli, and we are scared, and we have something for you. And I have one too!
Half one, half. Eli.
I worked very hard on that. The letters are a little wobbly because crayons are slippery.
I owe you an apology. A real one. Not just sorry, a real one.
I have been stressed about work, about money, and I did not talk to you about it. I kept it inside. And then when I saw that bill,
Everything came out wrong. I was not angry at the money. I was angry at myself for not being more present, for not talking to you more. And I took it out on you. That was wrong.
And I should have talked to you before I spent that money. I know that. I know it. But Jason, I felt lonely.
I understand, Megan. We should have talked.
I felt like you were far away even when you were in the same room. I thought if the house was more beautiful, maybe you would come back. To us. To me.
I'm so sorry.
Megan,
I am not saying it to hurt you. I am saying it because it is true. And our daughter told me to really talk. So I am really talking.
You are very brave. You know that?
I just don't want to lose our family.
We won't, I promise.
I love you, Dad.
Jason, I think we need to make some changes. We need to talk more. About money, about feelings, about everything.
I agree. No more keeping things inside.
And I will talk to you before I buy a $1,200 sofa.
It is a very comfortable sofa.
Are you saying I have good taste?
I'm saying it is a nice sofa.
That is called admitting I was right.
That is absolutely not what I said.
I told you, hugs fix everything.
For more English learning videos, visit our channel and keep practicing with us.